My name is Julie Carroll, and my job title is Engineering Design Tech. I work with the town engineer and the director of engineering to design things that we are building in the town and kind of help eliminate surprises in the field and come up with solutions before they're a problem. My typical day, I come into the office and I'm on CAD with Civil 3D most of the day, and Cody and Rick are good at making a point to get me out into the field to see some things, and you might see me like taking measurements or kind of walking downtown or anywhere in town, really doing a sort of survey check on what's existing so that I can get a feel for what we're working around and that type of thing. More or less what I do is, whether it's in the computer or in the field or working with people, is I look for problems before they happen and kind of come up with solutions in advance of them being an actual problem. And so part of that is compromise and hearing and asking questions and just listening to people and thinking in advance, premeditating what might happen and hopefully preventing it. So Rick and Cody and I will often have existing utilities as a conflict or something that we need to come up with solutions for. So we work with Easton Utilities and the Department of Public Works guys to kind of talk through and figure out how we can, again, avoid any of those problems or propose a design the best way possible. I enjoy contributing on the level that I am to the town that I was born and raised in, and hearing what the residents and the citizens and all that have to say and contribute. And I'm in a position where I get to kind of help both sides of that and hopefully make everybody happy as can be.
The noble goals.
Yeah. Something people don't know about me, I guess historically, I have raised grass-fed beef for almost 15 years, but I just sold my farm last week and I'm looking forward to doing something new and moving on. I got into it 15 years ago and realized, I guess, just that was honestly one of my biggest hobbies or passions, was the quality of the food that you eat and what goes into it and the local aspect and the respect kind of thing towards the animal and the land. I do joke that a lot of the stuff that I used to do, I did before it was cool. So the grassroots and organic and grass-fed, all that stuff, that was something that has kept me busy for basically my entire young adulthood.
Are you picky about your steaks?
Very picky.
How on earth would you do that along with working your other job?
Exactly. I mean, it was a full-time job, and that was kind of where I am with it now. It's I enjoyed it. It was cool, and I always thought I would always do it. I'm very self-sufficient. I like the, being resourceful and all of that stuff. But it was a lot. So I'm happy to have a break now and just enjoy my job, which is crazy. I actually do love my job.
To learn more about Easton, Maryland, visit us online at www.eastonmd.gov or follow us on social media under the handle @townofeastonmd.